you are on Instagram or any social media app or dating apps and your pictures look like these, oh man, that's you need an upgrade. This is an old vibe, and no one liked these kinds of pictures. You need to look like this. Yes, be a high-value man. Don't worry, that's why I'm here today. I'm going to show you how you can take pictures as a high-value man. Yes, I mean photos that make you look confident, stylish, and unforgettable. And the good thing is, you don't need a good camera. You can do this with your smartphone. It's a simple process. Let me show you. To be able to turn your image from normal pictures like this to stunning pictures like this, you'll need one thing, and that's your normal pictures. So go ahead and take at least 10 pictures of yourself. You can just use your smartphone. So don't worry about going to the photo studio. All right, I've got my photos ready. So get yours ready and follow me. All right, here's the fun part. And you need to pay close attention and follow all the steps. All right, we're gonna use one AI tool to do all the work. So first thing first, just go to aidatingassistant.com or simply click the link in the video description and you'll be redirected to this page. Once you're here, simply go ahead and sign up for an account by clicking the Take Photos button right here. After a successful registration, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Here, you'll find lots of templates, which I'll be showing you how to use in a moment. All right, so to start taking your pictures, you need to create a model first. And this is very simple to do. You can do that by clicking on the Create Photo Model tab here. Now, if you scroll down a little, you'll see the kind of pictures you need to upload, which are the good pictures, and the ones you need to avoid, which are the bad ones. And I recommend you go through that. This will guide you to get the best result. All right, I will go ahead and upload my pictures by clicking here. Now select the pictures from here. Make sure you select 10 pictures. All right, let's hit open. Awesome, now you can see we have 10 pictures selected. Let's move on. You see, we need to give our model a name. So let's enter it here. Now click here to choose your gender. So you can choose whether you're female or male. Once that is done, you can go ahead and click on this button below. All right, so you can see the model is being generated. Now all you have to do is relax and wait for it to generate. Yeah, it's gonna take a few seconds, so just relax. All right, our model is created successfully. Now, if we click on Select Model tab, you'll see the model we just created here. We need to select it to start taking the pictures. So let's click on it. Awesome. Now, if you're enjoying the video, kindly support the channel by liking the video and subscribe. Now on to the next step. So we're going to take the pictures, and it's a simple process. First, we need to select any of these templates. So what I want you to do now is to scroll through these templates here and select the one you like. I'm going to use the mobster template as an example. All right, let's click on the green button. Now you can see the template we selected going to generate 25 pictures for us, which is cool. So click on yes. Now you can see AI Dating Assistant is generating the pictures for us. Let's wait for the results. Amazing. Just check how cool it is. We got all these pictures with just a few clicks. You need to start using this tool right now if you want to stand out. To save the pictures to your device, you just have to hover your mouse to the picture you want, then click on the download icon here, and you'll get it on your device. It's simple. Don't forget that there are lots of templates you can use. So go try it all to get enough pictures that will grab attention. If you want more videos like this, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.